So this is just a recap for live stream 76. And as we can see, if we look at the top of the screen, it was a very bad day. Pretty much lost the account here. So we're going to have to start over. And based on what we can see on this chart here, the market, first when I got to the market, we had the sell-off ever since the NVIDIA earnings, came into buys. Eventually, as the market was selling off, I kept taking a series of buys. Thought the market would bounce at some point. The market, of course, continued to the downside, and inevitably, as you can see, I've taken quite a lot of trades. Inevitably, I've pretty much lost it. I've lost the account here. It's frustrating, but it's just one of those things, unfortunately. We had a couple of losing trades off the 5 minute, but we did have a winner off our strategy. Rest of the trades we took on the 1 minute because we're pulling away from the VWAP 50 period and the 200 period and the point of control. But we went down to the 1 minute chart. Where is it? So on the 1 minute chart, through here, we thought prices were going to bounce off the 91, find support there as we did yesterday on the NVIDIA earnings. Kept making a series of aggressive buys, also using the 1 minute strategy, and pretty much lost the account. So there were a few winners in there, but for a series of losing trades, we with the increase in volatility and a move to the downside, just never adapted to it, and we've lost the account here. 200 points. Let's see. Also, we speculated about going short and targeting about 140 points to the downside, target the 570s, but we just didn't hold the position. We just thought the value would be to the upside. It just wasn't the case. Was not the case at all. What we'll do now is we'll have a look here at the trade performance, and on the trade performance we can see here we're positive only slightly early on. We kept drawing down, coming back, drawing down, coming back, and then we eventually went on a run here where we've lost the account. Half an hour based on entry time. We can see here, let's see, that 11 a.m. period again, 11 until 12. After lunch, we've had some losses, but 2 until 2:30 here. Had a bad period. Increased the size of my stops more recently, but that's pretty much it. I don't know what I'm going to do. I think I just can't explain it. In hindsight, it looks so obvious. The market is trending to the downside. But what it was, I saw the big move to the upside of the NVIDIA earnings, and I just could not seem to shake the long bias. Despite the fact on the 5 minute we're below the moving averages and VWAP, even here on the 1 minute we're below the moving averages and VWAP. I just kept buying and I kept losing. Even on some of the short trades, as the market turned around, I would exit. As the market pulled back, it I'm a bit lost for words, to be honest. I'm not going to continue on. It's going to be a bit of a short recap here. Took a hell of a lot of trades, and it was a case of not being on the right side of the market. Of course, we had increasing volatility because we had some fairly big pullbacks over short periods, like 33 points right there. But it is what it is. So we've lost the account, so we'll have to restart. We'll have to restart here. So we'll go to edit account. And we'll go reset. I don't want to clear the history. I want the data still there. And the account's been reset. So we'll start over. And hopefully we can learn some lessons. But this is a tough one. A really tough one. But I'm not going to ramble on for much longer. Thanks for watching.